Hi friends, welcome to another section in this course, Word to Vec. In this section, we are going to take a look at an introduction to Word to Vec and what are the various types of Word to Vec models like the skipgram and the continuous bag of words. And then we look into what is negative sampling and wrap it up by looking into the pseudocode on how do we make a Word to Vec. Word to Vec. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is Word to Vec. In general, it is abbreviated as word to vector. This is a predictive model for learning word embedding from raw text. So herein, it helps us to place similar words near to each other and irrelevant words away from each other. For example, let's say we have a vector like which is going to represent two cities with a country, say like Rome with Italy and France with Paris. So now, if we have to find what is the vector of Rome, so that is similar to finding out what is the difference between the vectors of Paris minus France with the addition of Italy. This is just to say that these two set of words are interrelated such that you are having country and city relationship. So I think we'll get a better idea when in the next slide we see a pictorial representation of word to vec. So as you see here, what's happening is we have a set of words which are similar placed close to each other while the others are placed away from each other. For example, we have the set of food chains like McD, Taco Bell, Chipotle, Pizza Hut placed on the left hand side and they're all close to each other. But they're obviously far away from other vectors like say a Darius Rucker, a Keith Urban, or a Childish Gambino, or a Selenator, and so on. Because these are a different set of words which are interrelated to each other. For example, the one here like a Darius Rucker, Keith Urban, and a Dirk Bentley, they represent a set of cars, while that of a Billy Burr, Arenator, Selenator, they are like a representation of the famous songwriters or singers, and so as the one which is below, like Frank Ocean, Kendrick Lamar, Childish Gambino. They're all a particular set of words in their own domain. So all these words are placed close to each other while the others are separated. So this is what we use to find this word to vector. And this word to vector plays an important role when we are using recurrent neural network, because therein when we feed our input, what we are feeding is not the exact text, rather the vector representation of those words. And these vector representations we get it by using this word to vector.